Hey guys, so today I'm gonna share my best tofu scramble recipe. To start off this recipe, you need a block of tofu, and my favorite tofu to use for this is medium firm tofu. The next step is to open up the packaging and drain the excess liquid. And we don't need that liquid, you can just throw it out. Next, we're gonna press the tofu, so just get some paper towels, wrap your tofu in it, and press to remove the excess moisture. After the tofu has been well pressed, just remove your paper towel and set it aside. Now it's time to start the tofu scramble. To a pan on medium heat, add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Let the onion and garlic cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can start crumbling your block of tofu like so. You want to crumble it in a way that resembles scrambled eggs. Give it a nice stir and let your tofu cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. For spices, I'm adding 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of Italian spices, a teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of turmeric for color, and salt and pepper. Mix everything really well, and now it's time to add in your veggies. For my veggies, I chose to add some kale, but you can add really anything that you want. This is just what I had on hand. Let it cook for a few more minutes, and then you have the best tofu scramble recipe. This is one of my favorite recipes, and I make it all the time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!